All right, so next thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna plug our chemical feed pumps in. A lot of people call us and ask, all right, well, how do we know where to plug each feed pump into? Very simple. We now have our sensors installed here. We know our pH is white, our ORP is black. We know we have those color-coded rings on those terminals. Those same color-coded rings are actually around these fittings down here on the bottom of the control unit that will indicate which feeder you hook up to which. We know pH is white, we know ORP is black. All right, just like how pH is on the top, ORP is on the bottom, your pH is always gonna be on the left, your ORP is always gonna be on the right. So we're gonna plug our pH feeder into our female pigtail on the left, and we're gonna plug our chlorine feeder into the female pigtail on the right. So pH is on the left, ORP is on the right. That's why I do the same thing up here sensor-wise. pH is always on the left, ORP is on the right, pH is on top, ORP is on the bottom, pH is on the left, ORP is on the right, and then we have your power cord on the far right. Then with this controller right here, we do have an auxiliary relay hooked up to it. This is our auxiliary relay for our backup chemical feeder that's actually wired into the low voltage terminal inside this controller, which is something you will have to field wire and take this front cover off, go up, strip the wires, and hook them up to the normally open and common line in the auxiliary relay inside this control unit.